Today we're going to do a lip reduction on this softball field. You can see we have a slight lip where the infield meets the turf. We're going to use our old zero-turn mower here. We've taken the dolly wheels, anti-scalp wheels off. So essentially we're going to scalp this bluegrass. And we've already done some Roundup weed killer here. And then we're eventually going to redo the infield with some new mix. But before we do that, we're going to use our mower to cut this really short. And then we're going to take our VENTRAC. We have a VENTRAC machine that we're going to brush. Eventually, we're going to take a VENTRAC machine and we're going to brush the material away from this edge and get this nice and flat. You can see we've got probably right here, we've got like probably a 2-inch lip. You can see we've already cut it a little bit short. This is our fall renovation for this field. Start cutting it a 1/2 inch shorter than it is now, and then every time I go around, I'll take it down another 1/2 inch. Gone around, got it pretty well scalped. I'm gonna go around one more time and just to clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna hit it with the VENTRAC over here. Right now Dave's brushing the excess meal away from the fence. Now Dave's going to take the VENTRAC and sweep that grass edge. Get all that excess infield out of the grass. Using a light pressure on the brush. This field wasn't in too bad a shape. It's actually doing it pretty good in one pass. There's hardly any transition whatsoever. And next week we'll be putting down our infield mix, and this grass will have time to recover. When we're all done, we'll remow the field to get rid of all the excess clippings. We're brushing the meal onto the infield as not to waste what we got going, and we might have to float that out. One of our problem areas right here, we always have a lip right here for some reason, right behind third. It's kind of where the field drains off, so we're going to give it another pass. Our brushes on our VENTRAC need replaced, so that's kind of why we're doing that right now before winter. We use this mostly for snow removal. Hit it one more time. We've already reduced this from 2 to 3 inches to about 1 inch now. Just a couple passes. Now he's going to do around the warning track. We've got about a 1.5 inch lip here. This is a lot better than using a sod cutter or shovels. And we can just put our new infield mix right along here with our top dresser, which we'll be doing another video in a couple weeks. While he goes around, I'm going to step up the mower and go around so we can kind of smoothly transition where we've cut really short. Now he's doing a pass the opposite way as he's moving the grass the other way, picking up a little bit more. This will probably take a couple weeks to recover from this, but when it comes back, it's going to look really good. Yeah, lip is totally reduced, almost gone. Once we get our new infield mix, there won't be a lip here. All right, we've just reduced the infield lip on this softball field in about a little over a half an hour using this old Kubota and a VENTRAC.